Yeah, come in with the stew. Official. Yeah, that is it.
Coconut juice in the rice, everything.
Mm.
Must have it was nice.
There, take a look in there.
People.
No, then give me so much food, man. You see that plate there? This means don't go back in the iPad. Don't go back in the iPad. Okay. And then big dump there. No, me ever want the biggest plate. Alright.
So me taste the food now, what go on?
This food and off with the bush style, you know. This food have to when you're out there and hype, you know.
Yeah, that
You
is
really
it.
know that.
Alright.
Right. Boy, people.